Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video on how I make chicken wraps. They're kind of like fajitas because some will have onions but some won't. But I'm doing my own little seasoning, so it's not really like a fajita seasoning, but it's my own little like chicken wrap thing. It's gonna be good. If you're interested to see this look and how I achieved it, I will link it up top somewhere, or I'll put it in the description box below. You can see it at the end of this one, but I recorded this one as well so that you guys will be able to see that, because I figured I would get questions on the top, on the whatever. So I just want to make sure I link that. If you're new to my channel, I just want to say hey, thank you for coming. And I do videos on cooking, decorating, painting, makeup, as you can see. But I just want to make sure I link all of that information in there. And I just want to do a new video, a new cooking video, something different. It's the first time I did seafood. I want to do something that is a little bit more for everyone's taste. I mean, who doesn't like chicken? But I wanted to make sure that I did a new one because now I'm in my new kitchen, as you can see. So the lighting will be better. I'm hoping the sound is better and just everything. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into the video. Okay, so I went for my hair in a bun, and I wanted to show you guys the chicken first because I already cleaned and seasoned mine, and I'm gonna show you how I seasoned it. I used some Lawry seasoned salt. That's what it looks like there. Some Weaver's roasted garlic and herb. It's a chicken seasoning. Well, it has a chicken on it, so I'm assuming it's a chicken seasoning. I didn't put this yet, but I'm getting ready to, so I'll show you that in a second. This is the lemon and pepper seasoning that I use. It's a Walmart brand. It doesn't matter which one you use because they're all the same. Onion powder and garlic powder, and then just some black pepper. So I use all of these and season the chicken, and then I put a little bit of this, but not a lot, because it's the Worcestershire sauce. So yeah, not a lot, but this is minced onions, and I'm gonna add this to it now because some of them won't have onions in it, but I need that flavor. My hands are clean. I'm gonna take this chicken out and lay it up here. Now these are thick. As y'all can see, those are thick. But that's fine because I'm gonna cut them. We're gonna take this chicken and we're gonna just cut it so that it's thin, because right now this is too thick. That's way too thick. So you just put your hand on the top of it and you cut straight through it. I'm cutting through it right, and then it just looks like that. Just flatter pieces of chicken, because we want strips, little skinny strips out of it. So now that they're flat, we're just gonna take them and slice them thin into strips. Now that our chicken is cut up, I'm gonna put the minced onions right on it, right here. I'm gonna add a little bit of the lemon pepper. And more of the roasted garlic. And then I'm gonna put more, just a little bit of that. Add some of the Chipotle chili pepper. I've used it on my seafood usually, but I just felt like adding it on here because I wanted to have a little spice to it. These seasonings smell really good. So that's done. I'm just gonna leave that like that. I'm also gonna add some lemon juice. Okay, so now that our chicken is all prepped, I'm gonna preheat the pan to about somewhere between 6 and 7 because it goes low 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and high being 9. So I'm just gonna heat that to like 6.5, 7. I'm going to add just a little bit of oil. I'm actually gonna take the chicken and squeeze the lemon juice on top of it now because I'm not about to stand here and fight with this thing trying to pop me. I refuse. Gonna sit that there until it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the oven on. That's for our wraps. I just let them heat up a little bit in the oven. And now we're gonna add our chicken. Cut up my onions so I can caramelize them. So that's all I'm gonna use because I'm the only one that eats onions, of course. So I just keep layering the chicken in here. Because like these chickens over here, they're pretty much done. But I mean, a little bit more heat won't kill them. So I'm just layering them in as they cook and shrink down. I'm just putting more chicken in there. Sometimes to me the onions don't cook right, so I just add a little water, like a little splash of water like that. And then I just let them hang out. And that's what they make it. butter, I'm gonna add a little more of this to the onions. And now that our chicken is done and it's cooling a little bit, we're gonna take the other half that lemon and squeeze it right on the top. I wish y'all could smell this. It smells so good in here. I'm turning it down like 2 because I just wanted to finish cooking. I have these mission wraps, garden spinach, herb. That's what they look like there. These are the green ones. And for me, I have the mission flour tortilla soft taco wraps. I'm gonna just put this in a foil pan like that, and I'm just gonna let it heat up just a little bit because I just want it to have some heat to it. This is what our onions look like, and it's perfect. So I can actually turn the heat off of this as well. So it's warm now. I'm not trying to cook it. I wasn't cooking it, I was just heating it up. To go with the chicken, we have some hearts of romaine lettuce, some shredded iceberg lettuce, and some Mexican style goat cheese. And then you just layer it. came outside because I was finished and I was ready to eat now. But I wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm about to enjoy this food. If you want to see more videos on cooking or just, oh, I did hang up my lights already. I did my lights. But if you want to see more videos on how I finish this off, because this side is going to be covered with the curtain. If you guys want to see that, just subscribe so that you can catch me on my next one. Don't forget to like and comment as well. Let me know if you're going to try this. Let me know if you have any questions. I don't measure any seasonings. It's literally just to taste how I want it to taste right now. So that's just it. It's raining out here. I'm loving it. I got my lights on, my patio furniture. I'm good. Like, I'm really, really good. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.